This is supposed to be Eli getting the bubbles, but he decided to come see Grandma. Oh, there we go. Get those bubbles! Get them!
Hey, Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Oh, get those bubbles!
Go get those bubbles to me. Go get your bubbles to me.
Come over here and get some.
Here comes Sambo. Get some bubbles. Pop them! Pop them! Good boy! Clap, clap! Clap, 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 clap! Where'd he go? Where'd he go?